It made you bleed.
Yeah.
God damn, look at that. Holy shit.
Get it on the camera.
On the hand. There's
Slice me all up. All right, I bought Parrot something 2. Parrot, what the hell? Hold on. Oh, it doesn't say. Bebop 2. Take 3. All right, I bought the Parrot Bebop 2 on Amazon. It's refurbished. I paid $2.99, which is a great deal, I think. I'm about to do the unboxing, and then we're gonna go test fly it. We're not gonna test fly it here. That would be an epic fail. Let's get started. Special thanks to my good friend Mike Vondra for doing the camera work.
Let's get this.
Yeah, all right. Is that better?
Yeah.
Very cool. All right, Parrot, certified refurbished, $2.99 off of Amazon. So, has some sort of instructions here. It says, thank you for choosing.
Wait.
Certified refurbished.
Okay.
All right. This is it comes with a limited warranty, so that's not too bad. Instruction manual. Looks like it's been opened already, but that's okay. It's kind of small. It's kind of small. All right. So this is a cord. That looks like a European adapter. I think these are all adapters. So it comes with power adapters. I guess you can use it for anything. And that, I'm assuming, is to put the propellers on. All right. This is the power. Oh. Okay, so that's power adapter. And then this goes in there like that. There we go. Then this is the charger. And this would go like that. And then just plug it in and charge it up. Alright, let's see what else we got here. We got a USB data cable. The plane itself, or the drone itself. Propellers.
Which has got to be a sign that this team started to understand who they are.
It comes with extra propellers, so you get, there's, how many is it? 2, 4, 6, 8 propellers total. So pretty cool. So let's see how this works. Alright, first propeller. Alright. Oh, how it goes. These come off. That doesn't go in there. I figure it's probably foolproof. That looks like that fits on there.
No reason to look at the directions.
All right, I'm going to read the directions and I'll come back. Thanks, Mike.
Like, damn it.
Yeah, I don't know. I just typically do not like to read the instructions. I like to figure it out on my own. I like for it to be kind of intuitive. Just the way it is. All right. So the back is bigger. So these blades fit on the back ones.
Really good job in the back end.
So you really can't screw it up. Well, most people can't screw it up. And it pushes through, where it is, pushes through. Then the tool, what I do with the tool, dang it. There it is. Alright, tool goes on top, turn it, propellers on. Exactly. Alright, propellers are on. Where is it? There you go. All propellers are on. Okay. So this goes, looks like it's just, you can see it's got a plug in there. Slides in. Let me clean that off. That looks like it's got a cap on it.
And pets are part of your family.
What is this?
That's why Halloween
Ah!
offers healthy
So it's got a rubber band on it that you just pull off.
Natural doesn't have to be expensive.
Sweet.
Hollywood Deep. A different
Yeah, the parrot just faded right there.
Jack makes sure he's working out with Sasquatch. If you're working out, you're looking for an edge.
Anything else we need to do on this bad boy, I guess? Alright.
Or is it eating Jack Link's jerky?
She's out. First play of the second quarter. Book finding a wide open Cameron Smith.
You know, the Fighting Irish weren't a great passing offense with Brandon.
Not sure what that means yet.
They made some big plays early in this game, throwing the football.
Can feel the power now?
It's doing something?
Yeah, you need your phone now.
Yeah.
You mentioned the running game from Notre Dame.
It's probably looking for your...
Alright. So there's an application you have to download. Free Flight 3. The app is called Free Flight 3. And I don't know if you can see it. There's the app. Now I gotta figure out how to use the app. Be right back. Okay, so it looks like there's a new app that you had to download. The instructions gave you the app, but when I went to the app, it tells you to download another app. I didn't realize that. See, when you look at it, I don't know, you can't read it. But anyway, it says Free Flight 3 has changed and new apps are available. To control your drone, please use, and it gives you a list of 3 apps. So I'm going to download one of those apps. We're going to try it again. We're going to get this drone off the ground today. I promise. Alright, so it's powering up, and we're going to see if we can find the Wi-Fi. It's supposed to be Bebop 2. Here it is, Bebop 2. Boom. So we selected it. Alright. It says you must specify a country location. So just click OK, United States. Alright. It still has a nice one. What does it say now?
Got another
Yeah. Damn it.
update.
Sweet.
Watch this hit. Watch this. Scott.
Where is it?
Bam!
Nice. I need an update.
Oh, wide open.
Oh, is it still on?
Yep.
It made me do an update. So the update seems pretty easy. It seems like you just click on it and it sends the update wirelessly to the drone.
Look at that. Update
Pretty
complete.
easy. Dude.
Oh.
Oh, it's still going. Now it's resetting the drone. That is pretty easy update. American Eagle?
Eagle Rare.
Eagle Rare whiskey with some Coke. We're gonna fly this drone.
Oh, look who's doing video. Mike's on video. Good luck. Where's your shoes? Put some shoes on. Let him go out of the house without shoes. Please. You're not supposed to have shoes.
Maiden voyage. Don't push, throw it up in the air. Hold on to it until you feel it like coming out of your hands.
Alright, I need emergency care now. What?
Way to buy a toy that cuts them up.
Mike, go help him. He's your friend. I have a bandit in my purse. I have
Exchanging out the blades. Because that's got to be the reason it's not working.
Alright, so figured out calibration is extremely important. I did the calibration off camera. I actually did it twice off camera, but the first time I had the camera in my hand, so I guess that screwed it up. Be careful with your calibration. No metal, no cameras. Don't screw it up.
Okay,
Okay.
here we go again.
Take two.
Take two. Scott to the hospital. Oh! Could have been one of those blades was busted up. That looks pretty cool. We had faulty blades apparently. Can you see through the camera? You have to turn the drone. So you can, whoop, whoop, oh. Test flight successful.
Woo! Alright, so we found out calibration matters.
Calibration
matters. No metal. Maybe that was what it was. I don't know. Obviously calibration matters.
All right, hand launch, take 3. Success. No injuries.
And no injuries. Awesome. Okay, so the rest of this video is just going to be drone footage shot from the drone. For $20 I purchased the I think it's called the, damn it, hold on 1 second. I think it's called the Flight Path Planning or something. Hold on, I'll pull up the app. 1 moment. I can edit this out. Flight Plan. So for $20 you can purchase Flight Plan and it will let you figure out the plan of your flight. And you can send it wherever, pretty much everywhere you want. I just did one pretty far. I mean, the drone, I couldn't even see the drone any longer. And it was like 3 or 4 minutes, and all of a sudden I heard the drone coming back and then I saw it. So it uses GPS and it's pretty cool. You gotta make sure you tell it to land. I did not tell it to land, and it came back and it hovered about 200 feet above me for, it felt like a good minute and a half, and then it lowered on its own because the using the phone as a controller, I had no connection. I had 0 connection with it, and I was just waiting for it to run out of battery and drop or something. I didn't know what it was going to do, but it eventually just, oops, sorry, getting a text. But it just lowered itself to the ground, and then I was able to connect and land it. So when you're doing the flight plan, make sure you tell it to land, or At least tell it to go to 1 foot, and then you can land it yourself. All right, see ya.
Success! No injuries.
And no injuries.
Lead me back, 'cause I still need you back. Say you still need me back, 'cause I still need you. Lights gone.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is scorn, but I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, and no, that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lined and chalk. I really hate to trip, but I gotta load. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke pool. I'm the corner G, the little homies wanna be like on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light. Keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most their lives living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most our lives living in a gangster's paradise. We keep spending most our lives living in a gangster's paradise. Look at the situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life. I was raised by the streets. I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. Got a 10 in my hand and a gleam in my eye. I'm a locked up gangster, set tripping by me. My homies is down, so don't arouse my anger, fool. Death ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life do or die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things are going, I don't know. Tell me why are we so